and then tested here, and then tested here as well. But then here the price has not yet come back to test here. Yeah, the price just started shooting upward without coming back here. Who knows, it may come, but not now. Yeah, that one was on weekly, and then on daily. We can zoom there and we see. Yeah, this is exactly what the price is now doing. Let me first remove this one, the stuffs here. There's some stuffs here. I think those were the trades I took last year. Yeah, okay, it's good to clear your chart.